So slight change of plans. We got little Miss Layla. I think she's got a poo poo. I have to put the thing over here. I wanted to do walk the other ways and try to play in hill drills. This rain is getting us. It's kind of off and on. I was thinking it was supposed to be stopped by now, but it might be because I didn't look far enough in the day. So this is a problem of mostly working in outside, right? We got a lady with her crazy chihuahuas over there. So we're just gonna do some walk the other way. Oh wait, we're supposed to start with hill drills. Oh, I think she's got a poop though. So she's just looking at the other dogs. You know what I don't like about this thing? Is in the wet, is I've had to patch it up. Come here. Hold up. Hold up. You don't like that? So let's go to, I forgot we're supposed to do these first anyways. Come on, girl. Right. So it's always, there's a lot of distractions. I think what I'm gonna do today is start trying to get her working inside because she's doing real good like in the PM when she's out free and I have the leash on her, right? And I bring her to the bed to get her to start settling down. Right, so when all that shit's going on, I just ignore it. Come on, girl. All right. You want to go be friends with the chihuahuas? Just walk it out. Right, so you could probably right, see if we correct it. Right, super soft. Anxiety corrections, I think we go the opposite way, right? So if they're at a 5, you would normally go 5.2, like, right? Hey, settle down. Right? You just keep your tone. And so I'd say that's around a 4 of the excitement. So we want to do a 3.5. So we go much softer. Now the rain's coming down harder, right? This is some bull jive, dude. I got Chico's second walk, right? So you just keep it cool when they're doing all that crap. Now, if their excitement levels like way high up, you got to go a little more. Anxiety is a little different, right? It's raining hard as a mug now. We're not even going to be able to play. I still want to try to get her to play. I think out here is more. Let me make sure my green light's on. I think out here is more distracting for her than in Colorado, right? Because there's so much stuff here, and I think in Colorado she was more not a lot of shit going on. I don't think anything's in there. Wow, good girl. She finally kind of settled down from trying to go. I don't care about a little sniffing right now. Oh. Right. So your boop boops or your corrections are just I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it unnecessarily. It's just super light. You're letting a Slipley do the majority of the work, and her, right? You're letting the dog be like, oh my God, I gotta freak out and go over there. That is what's doing the majority of the correction, right? This has been the hardest one, probably because of the rain. Right? No need to freak out. No need to do nothing. I think she might be ready to go poo-poo. She's a hard one to tell potty-wise. There's been times where she hasn't done it in the morning or in the evening. Good girl. Right? And we got a lot of noise over there she's doing a lot better with. That usually would have, in the past, would have been making her try to, what the hell's that? Right. And we're going under the tree, which just going under the tree has been weird for her. Right? So let's give her a little. She's not paying attention enough. Gotta try to weigh that out though. Good girl. Right? We want her paying attention before we give them freedom. Right? She keeps looking over there. There you go, sweetness. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Okay. You're free. Might have been harder for her because she had to boop, boop. And I wonder what's the time limit too, right? Now the rain stops. Do 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 do. What else? I don't know. I think it's just getting used to stuff, right? I don't know if she was a city dog, country dog. I know where she came from straight to me was a real big, I believe, fenced in acreage, lots of it. So usually when you got a lot of acreage, you don't have a lot of cars driving by. You don't have a lot of people, uh, what's that called? Renovating stuff. What's going on, buddy? Oh, I gotta do recalls. Almost forgot. Should she take food yet? Not outside. Should take them inside, not outside. Right? So let's get back to walk the other way. Oh, she's standing on the leash. All right, you just keep going until they come. Good girl, Ross. Good job. What's up, wet dog? Huh? What's up, wetty wet? Do 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 do. Right. And she forgets about you. Go the other way. Good girl. Very nice. Um. Right. So when I work, what did I start to say before it started raining hard? Right. Start trying to get some work done inside because she's a little better. I think it's too much out here for her. Outside is where I predominantly work, so I got to change what I'm doing. I need to work on the other one, staying on the bed with everybody else too. Anyways, I kind of muscle a lot of stuff that I shouldn't. I should be working on. It's all day, every day, right? Everything is all day, every day. Good girl. All day, every day. Let's see if she goes away. I can get a recall in. Layla, come. Yeah, good girl. Come on. Right here. Right here, buddy. There you go. Here we go. Okay. It's been hard to tell if the backside pat release weirds her out. Good girl. You want to try to play right now? Or you want to go do a little free walk? Let's do a little free walk. Turn this bullshit off. But I think that's the plan. She's doing real good inside, just kind of with a hand motion, so I think I can get her working inside. This is when having such a small place with so many dogs sucks. But I guess that makes me have to work on everything else, right? Instead of bullshitting. Instead of bull jiving, get to work on all of them. You dummy.